स्वागत है आपका मेरे वीडियो में। आज एक इंग्लिश के चैप्टर का लेसन पढ़ेंगे। मैंने ये कैमरा मेरे फेस के पास नहीं किया है क्योंकि ये फिर उल्टा नहीं होता है, तो हम बुक फिर ऐसे देख नहीं पाएंगे, इसलिए। ठीक है, तो चलो अभी हम एक लेसन पढ़ते हैं और लेसन का नाम है, ये देखो, इंग्लिश बाल भारती। कहाँ गया? हाँ, ये रहा। इट्स ओनली अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। ये है वो लेसन। इट्स ओनली अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। चलो पहले मैं आपको रीड करके बताती हूँ। लॉन्ग लॉन्ग अगो इन फार अवे चाइना, अरे यार, चाइना, देयर लिव्ड इन आर्चर कॉल्ड चेन योजी. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target precious at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The old man was carrying gouts of oil that were hanging from a long can on his shoulder. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yozi. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." ये देखो, ये चेन्योजी और ये ओल्ड मैन. Chenyozi was annoyed. Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows? No, sir, the old man replied. I am not an archer and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything's a matter of practice. Chenyozi became very angry. What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you? Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil sailor, as you must have guessed from the gourds. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the year I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I show you it to you. Glowed Chen Yozi. Everybody was curious to see what will happen next. हमारा फर्स्ट पेज रीडिंग करके हो गया है. चलो अब हम नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलते हैं. ये रहा हमारा नेक्स्ट पेज. Patiently the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mount of the gourd. In those days, small coin had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in the ladle and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. The oil went straighter into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. But the old man only smiled as I said, "There's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice." You see, Chenyozi lost all his angry and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that, Chenyozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. ये देखो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा फर्स्ट पेज पूरा रीड करके हो गया है। लेसन का नेम क्या है? इट्स ओनली अ मैटर ऑफ प्रैक्टिस। ये है चेन्योजी और ये है ओल्ड मैन। ये देखो, ये भी रीड करके हमारा हो गया है और ये है उसके मीनिंग्स। लर्न करने हो तो लर्न कर सकते हो। तो आज का लेसन हुआ कंप्लीट। थैंक यू सो मच वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए। और अगर आपको ये लेसन अच्छा लगा होगा तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना। जब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी यू ऑल।